Hi, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here today at the Community College of Philadelphia in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'm going to show you how to make low-calorie cheese crackers. This recipe is great. You can use it to garnish salads or for appetizers, whatever you want. So it's pretty basic. In this bowl, all I have is some basic store-bought Parmesan cheese, just grated Parmesan cheese, nothing else. And then here I have a pan and some foil, and I sprayed it pretty well so we don't have to worry about anything sticking. So we're going to use a teaspoon. We're going to take our cheese. You're going to make nice little piles on your tin foil. You're going for about 3/4 of a tablespoon of cheese for each pile. And they're going to spread out, so make sure that you leave a lot of room. You can do this on a pan also. I don't know, I like doing it in the oven because they cook a lot more even. You don't have to worry about burning them. Perfect. Okay. So now you're just going to go around and kind of flatten them out. You want it to be thick, so don't flatten out too much, but just so you get a big circle. And then they're going to melt all together in the oven. Okay. Now the reason these are low calorie is Parmesan cheese is very, very low in calories. So since that's all we're using, it's a pretty simple recipe. I'm going to take a little bit of salt, just go right on top. The cheese itself is pretty naturally salty, so you don't need that much. Cool. And that's it. Let's get these in the oven. And that's it, it's that simple. So I just bake them at 400 degrees for about, I would say 5 minutes, or you just put it on a saucepan with a little bit of spray and do them on there and just flip it. It's that easy. Again, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, and that's how you make low-calorie cheese crackers. Enjoy.